Good morning. Guess what? Sunny. It's warm. This morning it was -2. Tom's just chucking bricks. It was -2, so I thought, oh my God. But we're over this ending sun and it's warm now, man. It is warm. So today we are doing yesterday's video in a way, because we didn't end up getting here, did we? Ended up, Cooper Bridge were blocked once again. So we just went and did like a little insurance job. But yeah, we're just ripping out all the pond. It's like a waterfall in that corner where Tom is now, over there. But there's like, there were an old couple that owned this. I think they were ex-coppers or something. And they've got like, the guys that live here now must have chopped a tree down or something, because we found a tree, we found a conifer. But if you imagine with pond, then a little tree weeps over it. So I imagine that's what's gone on there. But yeah, we're doing up to ripping out, can't even see, ripping out to this section here, and then that is like this section done. Step down onto that patio. We're going to go up to Moan this afternoon, because we can tip clean stone like that. I'm sure they do it for free. If not, it's like 10 or 20 quid or something. Might be 10. I don't know. So we're going to go have a shop around this afternoon. Get rid of that. So yeah, getting his hands dirty, not like yesterday, nice and steady, wasn't it? But it's one of those days, isn't it? So, just got to get your t-shirt on. Tell you what, I could actually take my t-shirt off now, but the second you stop, you're freezing, aren't you? So, it's not quite short weather yet. Not quite. Little Jimmy would be like that big if I had my little shorts on now. So, yeah, let's get ripping out. Hello. Tom's just over there putting them down by the river and he's shouting at it. Must have jumped off at shovel. What a little baby one here. Look at the side of this one. I don't like them. All that moves fast is not my friend. But this guy here. Oh, fallen off. Where is he? Hello. We'll call him Malcolm. Hello, Malcolm. Hello. Malcolm. Oh, he's gone. Come on, Malcolm. Come with G-Dog. Come, fella. Come on. Oh, yes, baby. Here we are. Oh my God, it's when they move right fast. God. Go on then, Malcolm. See you soon, pal. See you soon. So as you've seen when I'm putting my levels in, do it old school, piece of timber, level and a tape. Can't be bothered with a laser. Could get one. I knew ones we used when we used to work on footy fields, they were like £5 or something, but now they get these little ones, can't you, and they're cheaper, but can't be bothered. Something's just here, don't know. But yeah, I can't be bothered. So that's how I do it. And then it's right, innit? You know, just, why not? See that frog? Me touching that frog. Ooh. Disgusting. All that moves fast scares the hell out of me. So like, as a kid, when me and Laura met when we were like 16 or something, I used to babysit for this couple. And there were a spider in kids' room, so they shouted me. And that were in the loft. And Laura come upstairs because I had to shout them for a spider. And then she chased me from the loft down to the first floor, down to the ground floor, and all the way into the cellar with it. Can't do it. Still can't do it now. Another 40-year-old. No. Kids know not to shout me. Shout mum. She's well had. But yeah, we are just waiting for Tom. Tom's just been for stone, or gone for stone now, to moan again. So I'm just having a chilled 5 minutes in the sun. It's well nice. See you soon. Right, so we stoned up the pond. Still need to take a few blocks out of this side, but last hardcore went in there. This side is now tomorrow, lay down there, and then that is now shaped up. So just needs a whisker more stone on edge. But it's a step going in. Now husband's just come home, we want this step, but this morning wife rang me up and she said, I want a step like this. I'm gonna let them sort it out tonight. I know you're watching. It'll already be sorted out by then. It goes out a day late, so yeah. So that's it. Just a bit of a rip out and dodging frogs, let's put it that way, today, which were scary. Don't like them. But yeah, tomorrow Tom's laying, and then I always plan this, don't I? I'm going to do this and this. Labour for Tom, but also stone up further down there and get like big rocks on. Mona have actually accepted us, and we can tip it there and whatnot. So every time I go for hardcore, I'm going to take the stone, come back with hardcore. That's my plan. I'll still up labouring all day water because it's just fast as hell at this. So yes, that's the plan for tomorrow. But see you in the morning, 8 o'clock sharp.